Building an AI blog. Step-by-step guide. Introduction. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a transformative technology that has permeated various industries, from healthcare to finance. As the demand for AI knowledge grows, starting an AI blog can be a lucrative venture. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating a successful AI blog. Step 1. Research and planning. Before diving into the blogging world, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Identify your target audience, the topics you want to cover, and the tone of your blog. Create a content calendar to plan your posts. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. Select a blogging platform that suits your needs. WordPress is a popular choice due to its flexibility and range of plugins. Step 3. Domain name and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects the essence of your blog. Opt for reliable hosting services to ensure your blog is accessible at all times. Step 4. Design and layout. The design of your blog should be visually appealing and user-friendly. Use templates or hire a web designer to create a unique look. Step 5. Content creation. Start writing high-quality, informative articles. Make sure to include visuals like images and videos to enhance the reader's experience. Step 6. SEO optimization. Search engine optimization (SEO) is vital for increasing your blog's visibility. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and quality backlinks to improve your SEO ranking. Step 7. Monetization. Once you have a steady flow of traffic, consider monetizing your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Step 8. Analytics and improvement. Use analytics tools to track your blog's performance. Make necessary adjustments based on the data. Conclusion. Building an AI blog requires dedication, research, and a passion for artificial intelligence. By following these steps, you can create a blog that not only educates, but also monetizes your expertise. Happy blogging!